Hi, welcome to week 15. You're almost at the end of this course, almost. This week we're going to look at health care inequality. Inequality is very difficult to measure. There's perception and reality, and every person lives in their own perception. So for example, my perception of what is quality care may not be your perception of what is quality care. Reality is being able to measure those components that should be considered quality, and then being able to come up with reliable information on that measure. This unit is going to look at some common terms and also some of the initiatives that happened in the Affordable Care Act. You will finally get to see some real concrete examples of meaningful use criteria and what it's been. And this content, what you see in this chapter, you're going to see again in your Quality Management of Organizational Resources course in the last semester of the program. In particular, some of the terms such as structure, process, and outcome. This unit is fairly short. It's not too difficult, and you should have not any problems with the activities. So as we get toward the end of the course, think about what was the purpose of this course. When you go out in PP1, a lot of the content that you've had in this course in health records management, you're going to see put to action. A survey course such as this helps provide you with the general knowledge that you're going to need going forward. Lastly, I want you to go back to week 2 of this course in the announcements when I talked about your final activity for next week, and refresh yourself what it is. In week 2, I gave you the topics that were going to be part of your final activity. There's going to be 3 essay questions or short answer, however you want to define it, that you will need to answer. They are 20 points each, and then a last little question for 10 points, so it's 70 points. And it's going to be based off the content areas that I visited with you about in week 2. So make sure you go back and review that. If you have any questions, send me an email or give me a call. Thanks. Bye.